If you're like me and you got a lot of bikes and they get dirty, this is something I recommend for you right here. This is the bicycle cleaning kit from the company Xindell, maybe is how you would say that. This is a 5-in-1. You know, it's for, it cleans chains, cranks, tires, spokes. It has all the different types of brushes. It's got the number one, it's got the gear brush, it's got the tapered detail brush, the frame cleaning brush, a soft bristle, and a bike chain brush. You know, I did open it up and kind of like look at it here because it was taped shut pretty good. And check this out. Taking it out. There's no details on how to do it, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over and show y'all exactly what this is. So this is great for going in between the cogs of a gear to get inside there, clean out, and then pick out there, and then you can clean there, and then use this for getting the little small items right there. This is what they're calling just kind of like a good frame brush. These two right here, this is a tire brush. Basically, these brushes here can go on a wide variety of things. Like I like to stick this in between the spokes, run it around the tires, and then I use this on the frames and on the outside of the tires. I'll go ahead and click over to some footage of using some of these brushes and show you how well they work. Okay, I'm out here in my N-Way X24 bike, and you can see it's pretty dirty here, and I have my cleaning kit here, and I'm just gonna kind of like go over some of these things. Just so you know, out here, it is way below like freezing out here, so my water hose and everything is frozen, so I'm not gonna wash this thing today, but I am gonna show you what some of these brushes do. Number one, you get this brush right here that's great for things like this and kind of scrubbing around your tires and in between the spokes and things like that. It works extremely well because it has that mesh thing right here on the side and then a brush right there. This thing works great for spokes, running in and out of these things like your pedal, your crank arms right there, and then say like your parts right here. This works extremely well for this, so you would soak it down, and it works well for anything like that. Where this is more kind of all around, getting down inside those cracks and crevices like that. I'd get it down in there like that, and that was like one of these do-all top brushes. This one is for your tires. You can see right here, it's like made for the tires, the frame. I would do the entire frame. You can see how it kind of works, and I don't even have any soap on this thing. This thing right here has a couple of purposes on it. See how it cleans the chain? And then that thing right there is made for inside your cog sets. See that? And that's what these work for also. You can get right down in there like that. There's a little bit of dirt and mud down in there. You want to keep these things clean because it can break those teeth off of that cog if you don't like clean those out. Mine are pretty decent down in there, but that is something that I'll always check. And then this little thing kind of works with the chain too. You can kind of see that. Yeah, so that's a handy little tool to have right there. I recommend this thing. This cleaning kit is something I recommend for anyone that has a bike or like me that has multiple bikes, and you want to keep them clean because when everything thaws out here and I can actually use water that's not frozen solid, I will be cleaning this bike up. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the Xindell bike cleaning kit. See y'all in the next video.